Welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're comparing two finance tools that serve very different needs, Taxfyle and Sage. One makes tax filing super easy and the other is a trusted accounting system used worldwide. Want to see how they'll work for your business? Let's jump in. Let's start with the main focus. Taxfyle's main focus is on on-demand tax filing with licensed professionals, while Sage's main focus is on full accounting and financial management software. That's what it is actually. So let's look at AI capabilities. Taxfile has AI that matches users to the right tax expert or professional, while Sage has AI forecasting, reporting, and automation. We'll look at who or what they're best for. Tax filing is best for individuals and small businesses during tax season, while Sage is best for small to medium enterprises that are needing scalable accounting solutions. We'll look at ease of use. Taxfile is a simple app. It uploads documents, just upload documents and get matched. While Sage is feature rich, but has a slightly steeper learning curve. When we look at pricing, Taxfile has a pay-per-use for tax filing pricing system, while that of Sage is subscription-based with flexible plans. Here's a breakdown. Taxfile is like Uber for taxes. Just upload your documents, get matched with a licensed tax professional, and your return gets filed without stress. Sage, on the other hand, is an accounting veteran. It is built for businesses that want robust accounting, payroll, and reporting features with some AI-powered forecasting added in. So the takeaway is Taxfile equals best for quick expert-driven tax filing, while Sage equals best for full-scale accounting and business management. So if it's tax season that stresses you out, just simply go for Taxfile. But if you need your year-round accounting power, Sage is a smarter choice. So which one would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more quick finance app battles only here on Twoguysfinance.